Are non-living things like rocks Brahman / the self? Short answer is yes. All is the self. All is Brahman. There is no other. Think of it like when you're dreaming at night. Everything within the dream arises from one consciousness. All of the dream is you. If you dream you're being chased by someone down an alley, you are chasing yourself. There's no one else there. So all of the dream is you, even the non-living. And so if you happen to stub your toe on a rock, that rock is also you in the dream. There's nothing in the dream that is not you. And in this way, or an analogy, all is Brahman, including the non-living, including the living, including the, well, it's everything. I mean, say I had a glass of water. Brahman would be the glass, the water, the space in the glass that's not water. Everything. There's nothing. There's nowhere you can point and say, that's not Brahman, or Brahman's not there. All is Brahman. And so whether it's rocks or other non-living things does not matter.